All right, good morning. So we got a couple of questions here that we've gotten from some of the people that were trying to get put into this free automotive repair giveaway that we're doing. So we have Facebook, we are on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So in order to be entered, the way that we're going to do this, I'm going to answer all the questions that have come up. First question is, how do we enter if we don't have every platform? So for every platform that you enter, we're going to check, and then we're going to put your name on the ticket. We're going to do basically little post-its. It's going to have your first name, the city that you're from, the year, make, and model, and the issue with the vehicle. The way that we're going to do this is if you follow us on all 4 platforms, you're going to have 4 tickets in the drawing of your name. If you only follow us on one, then you're only going to get 1 entry. And I'm not saying you're going to get 4 entries for 4 different repairs. It's not going to be 1 entry for transmission, 1 entry for engine. No, it's going to be 4 entries of the same issue. But the reason you want to do it that way is because you'll get a better chance of getting picked quicker, sooner rather than later, basically. Not saying you're not going to get picked. It's just a possibility of getting picked sooner. The reason we're doing it that way is so it makes it fair for everybody, because I don't want somebody that follows us on 4 different platforms to feel, hey, why is this person getting the same type of treatment if they're only following you on 1 platform? So the way we do it is I feel like it makes it fair for everybody. The way to get your name in the drawing is you have to like us on all platforms, follow us, and share the video. We're not doing this just for low income people. We're not doing this just for people that can't financially do it. I've had people enter that aren't financially able to pay for repairs, but hey, it doesn't hurt to get free stuff once in a while, especially in today's financial situation. Next question we got is, where do you get the ticket? You don't physically get a ticket. As I mentioned, we're just going to put it on Post-its, and we'll fill out the info. All we need from you guys is to message us, whether it's through TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. You have to send us a message again with your first name, city that you're in, and the year, make, and model, and the issue that you need for your vehicle fixed. Anybody that messages us and says, oh, I need an engine, or oh, I need a transmission, we are going to do our due diligence and do an actual diagnostic first, and then go from there to let you know, hey, you actually do need this, or hey, it's not that, you just need this. We're not going to let people just say, hey, I need this, this, and this, and let it be expensive repairs, when in reality, it's not. Another thing, whatever the repair is, we're only doing repairs to get the vehicle running, at least running stable. Whether it's, you want to spark plugs and coils and you want a whole tune-up, but in reality, your vehicle just needs the mass sensor cleaned. We're not going to let people take advantage. We're not going to let people say, hey, I need a million things. You said I can do it for free. No, that's why we're doing this second part, because too many people we've noticed are trying to do that already. And people take advantage of free things all the time, and they just ruin it for everybody else. Okay, next question we got is, what if we don't know what is wrong with the vehicle? Then by all means, we'll get it to us. We'll get it diagnosed, and we'll let you know what it needs at that point. To get the vehicle to us, you as the consumer will have to get it to us. You'll have to get it towed, or you'll have to get it brought to us, whatever the case may be, only because we are getting it fixed for free already. So that's already a loss right there. Not only that, the repairs do not come with warranty. Whatever the case may be, we'll give you a week, whatever, because if something's going to go wrong, it's going to go wrong at that time. But we can't give somebody a brand new engine, and then in 3 years they say, hey, I need another new engine. Now we're losing double the money when we already did what was right the first time and helped y'all completely free. Now at that point, we would charge you a fee. Can you put your name for somebody else? Yes, you can. And the reason we're allowing that is because if, for instance, you have a grandmother that doesn't have social media, but you do, and you want to get the repairs fixed on her car, by all means you can. You just got to fill out the message the right way and put it in your name or her name, whatever the case may be, and we'll get them put in the drawing that way. What if the car doesn't drive to pick up the ticket? Again, there is no tickets. Just send us your info through a message. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to pick up anything. We'll have everybody's information saved and we'll go about it that way. Will the drawing be at the end of the week? Yes. So what we're doing is we're doing drawings on Mondays, but we had too many craziness going on with the moment that we announced this. So we're going to give it one more week and then we'll pick somebody next week. So every Monday we'll be doing a live. We'll announce the winner. They can contact us. If they don't contact us within 48 hours, we'll move on to the next person. And that person that got picked that didn't respond, they just get thrown back into the bucket. They don't get removed. They just get thrown back in and they got to wait till they get picked again. So we'll announce it on Monday. Hopefully you can get us the car so we can get it to you by that week. And then that's how we're going to do it. So the drawings won't be done at the end of the week. The drawings will be done every Monday. We'll try to do it around 9 a.m. That's when we figure everybody's already awake, and they can join and see who won. The longer it takes for you to get us the vehicle, the longer it's going to take for you to get the vehicle back. If you're not in a rush, then of course, no rush, no foul. But if you are in a rush, obviously the sooner the better. Is it for one repair or multiple? Again, whatever we're repairing is just to get the vehicle running. That's why we're asking people, whoever is out there, whether it's an alternator, a starter, just a tune-up, whatever the case may be, it's just to help you get the vehicle running to where you couldn't afford to get it to that point, and we're here to help you out. If there's any additional questions, don't be afraid to reach out. Don't be afraid to message us. We'll get back to you. We're trying to answer everybody. We're trying to get back to everybody. That's why we're trying to promote this to hopefully it reaches the people that do need the help and they don't have to go pay for repairs. And then they find this video later and they're like, dang, I could have, got it for free. So again, just reach out. Any additional questions, just let us know and we're here to help you guys out. Thank you.